Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through changing your age or date of birth on your Epic Games account for Fortnite. There is no simple edit button for this, so you have to use the official support request method. Let's jump right into it. If you entered the wrong birthday when you signed up and need to correct it, you must contact Epic Games support directly. Open your web browser and go to epicgames.com. Log into your account and scroll to the very bottom of the page. Click on Help or Support. Select Epic Games Store or Accounts. Do not select Fortnite specifically, as this is an account-level issue. Click on Contact Us to open a ticket. In the text box, clearly state, "I entered the wrong date of birth during sign-up. My actual date of birth is," and then insert the correct date. They will likely ask you to upload a photo of your ID or driver's license to prove it, so have that ready. If your account is locked out of voice chat or certain games because you are under 13 or digital consent age, you have a cabined account. You don't need to change your age to fix this. You need a parent. When you try to play, you should see a prompt asking for a parent's email address. Enter your parent's email. Your parent will receive an email from Epic Games. They need to click the link, verify their age using a credit card or ID scan, and then grant permission for you to use voice chat and play teen-rated games. Once they do this, your account unlocks instantly without needing to change your actual birth date. Finally, if you are a parent and just want to allow your child to play older games like rated teen or mature without changing their birthday, go to your account settings on the Epic Games website. Select Parental Controls and enter your PIN. Look for Fortnite Content Rating or Game Rating. Move the slider from Everyone to Teen or Unrated to allow access to all content regardless of the age on file. And that's it. Whether you made a typo or just need to lift restrictions, these are the only working methods. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.